Hello friends, I am Pratham Patil, a student of Computer Science and Engineering branch. So today I am coming with one of the interesting topic, which is nothing but the Warli art. As you know, the art is the passion of every person. According to the art is the expression or application of the human skill, which knows about that human. It includes many more like painting, writing, reading, and etc. and more than their skills. But art is the nothing but the application of the human skill, and Warli art comes under the human skill like painting. So, as you know, the Warli art, which comes from the ancient history also, and which gives about our historical background of India. So, let us know about the Warli art in detail, brief introduction about the Warli art. So, let us move forward. So, as Indian folk, it is the oldest form of Indian folk art. So, it includes the many more historical background also. So, we have to know about historical background of Warli art. So, Warli art, as I tell, it is the oldest art in our history, and it includes the many more religion of Indian culture and their tribals which comes under the Warli habitat. So Warli painting is a style of tribals created by the most tribals in the North Sahyadri ranges. The native place of the Warli art is the North Sahyadri ranges in India. The category includes the cities like Dehanu, Talasri, Jawahar, Palghar, Mokhada, Vikramgarh in Palghar district. The many more cities like Dehanu, Talasri in the Palghar districts comes under the Warli habitat. So it gives the Warli's tradition in our India. So in the Warli picture, there is a Warli painting art is there, and in that painting, the main business of that person is agriculture is shown. It is the main livelihood and major source of food in the tribe. So their religion or their habitat describes the agriculture in their painting in detail and gives their brief idea about the agriculture. So there also in their pictures, the Warli paintings, there is a lot of respect of nature and wildlife sources also will be introduced. The respect of nature is also given or introduced through their pictures also. And Warli artists use their earthen pots also to create their paintings or to draw their paintings on the earthen pots. So, to show their skills, the Warli artists also use their earthen huts, and also cavemen use their cave walls also to introduce their religion of Warli art. So, Warli painting, as you know about that Warli painting, so basic question which arises in every people, how to draw the Warli paintings. So I give one of the example to show the how to draw the Warli paintings. It is nothing but the girl having some excitement and fun to show their religion. So there are some basic Warli sticks figure are there, and step by step their production or how to draw step by step is given. In first step, one of the inclined line is draw only. In second step, similar kind of inclined line is draw, and it is reversed. So by using triangles also and by using the inclined lines, we can draw the shape of any girl having their fun and having their religion. So it is one of the basic example to how to draw the basic Warli art. So as I know, and Warli is nothing but the traditional and historical religion. So it comes under the two parts, that is ancient Warli art, and nowadays there is a modern Warli art. So first we know about the ancient Warli art. So what is ancient Warli art? As you see, in the picture, this shows the different kinds of states of humans, or different kinds of states of every person. As you see, the one of the girl which is in the field, which shows the agricultural background of Warli habitat, and some of the people dancing there, and some of the people can swing on the tree, so it shows their happiness, and some of the people can play, so it shows their religion in different kinds, and clouds are there and rain is continue, so it shows the agriculture and their weather conditions in that picture. So in ancient Warli there is a basic, it's that it shows their religion, and it shows their morals and ethics in that picture. So let us move forward. Here is one of the picture about the ancient Warli which is nothing but in celebrating the festivals like wedding and many more festivals. Their happiness is also introduced in that picture. So ancient Warli is nothing but their religion, brief introduction of their religion. So let us move forward. So after ancient Warli comes under the modern Warli, which is nowadays used by the people. In that modern Warli, it strictly uses its straight lines. In ancient Warli, there is some of the basic and ancient instruments and ancient ideas are used in their pictures, but in modern Warli, there is a modern techniques are used in that modern art. So Warli artists use strictly the straight lines. By using straight lines, they draw their shapes and whatever their pictures also. By using a series of dots and dashes, instead of the single line, it uses the series of dots and dashes to draw a complete figure. Apart from traditional diagrams, many have started using modern elements like bicycles, cars, buildings, computers, leisure crafts and trends. As you know, the modern techniques are used in that picture. The modern things are also introduced in that picture. As you know, in that ancient Warli there is a only introduction of their religion, but in modern Warli there is a introduction of the modern techniques also. So in that picture it shows the modern techniques, and also tribals move from the paper by instead of using the cloths and the cave walls, but in modern there is a use of paper is there, and Warli paintings on the paper, which is very popular and now sold all over the world and abroad also. So it is a very well advancement in the Warli art is there nowadays. So people use Warli art by using the modern techniques and show. So let us move forward. In that picture, it shows the Warli art modern by using the modern techniques. As you see in that picture, there is a modern techniques are used in that picture, like shading is there, and the people, some of the girls are standing by using different positions, and it uses the modern techniques, and it shows their culture also. In that picture there is a both of them, there is a culture and some modern techniques also used in that picture. So it shows their habitat scenario and morals and ethics also saved in that picture. So this picture shows also their work and their morals also in that modern techniques. So nowadays the more advanced techniques are used to draw the Warli art, and it becomes very famous nowadays. And in future, I think it will be more be satisfied by the people to draw the Warli art by using the modern techniques, because it shows the different kind of scenario of that Warli art. So thank you so much for watching the video. So we at the end we know about the Warli art, which is very famous nowadays. So thank you for watching the video. Like my video, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching the video.